So, so this is Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. This is this area. This water is infested with crocodiles, and we have been given lot of warnings on how to maintain the discipline, how to not to disturb the wildlife and the animals here. So this water depth that they're saying is 15 feet of water. So this is the high tide time, and this is where we are traveling to the other side, and that is where the Sadhvaya village is there. And this is the classic example of the village which got drowned, which got engulfed by the sea. And this is due to climate change. However, the biggest factor of climate change is this mangroves. So mangroves absorb the highest amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and they protect the atmosphere.